Listen to these examples.
David is here.
He is here.
That dog is a Labrador.
It is a Labrador.
Now it's your turn. Speak when you hear the bell.
My sister is a doctor.
She is a doctor.
David is here.
He is here.
My parents are in New York.
They are in New York.
That waiter is rude.
He is rude.
My coat is clean.
It is clean.
John and I are friends.
We are friends.
Dogs are nice.
They are nice.
Sarah is from England.
She is from England.
My father is retired.
He is retired.
My brothers and I are on vacation.
We are on vacation.
The Queen is busy.
She is busy.
The good restaurants are on Park Avenue.
They are on Park Avenue.
That dog is a Labrador.
It is a Labrador.
What is the rule? Leave a comment below.
David. My father. That waiter.
Sarah. My sister. The Queen.
My coat. That dog.
John and I. My brothers and I.
My parents. Dogs. The good restaurants.
Are there any questions? Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.